Shimbynta ban rakhe kasi pyrshah ek jingpang TB lani ka World Tuberculosis Day ka Office Jong ka District Tuberculosis Ribhoi District hapoh ka jingialam ka Dr. Kalwing Hakatei tarik Lber hajar pule ka pynlong ka jingiaid rally ka bala sdang naduh ka Office Jong District Transport Officer bat terter pynkut haduh ha Office Jong ka District Medical and Health Officer Ribhoi District Hakatei ka jingiaid rally la shimbynta di khynnah pule jong ka School Oesis English Secondary School Alpha English High Secondary School berka St. Paul High Secondary School.
Your relative or your mother, anyone who's pregnant, and anyone who smokes and sit in the room, the child, the fetus itself, had already developed kind of respiratory infection, which later on might lead to tuberculosis. And for this thing, we have so many prevention also that encourage all the pregnant women to go to the hospital to get immunized, because we have immunization also for tuberculosis. But those who are not, they are more prone to such a disease. Okay? And more next thing is to maintain cleanliness. Everything at home, whether you're poor or you're rich, doesn't matter. But cleanliness meant for everyone. Okay? The cleanliness is very, very important at home first, then in a society, community, and as a whole for the country. So I believe and I thank you all for taking such a very enthusiastic participation to know about such diseases and to eradicate all one by one, so that it won't hamper our economy, right? Our economy also will increase when we are all healthy. So with these few words, I thank you once again, and I believe that you go ahead and spread the news, the good news to your community. Thank you.